Hi everyone, my name is Tyler, and I will be presenting today on neural inhibition and word selection during language processing. My research will help us answer the following questions. How does the brain help us decide which words to suppress and which words to use? And what effect does anxiety have on this process? First, we must understand the basics of word processing. Language processing is typically done in the Broca's and Wernicke's area of the brain. While language processing is done here, decision-making processing is done in other areas. We will discuss the overlap between these two mechanisms and how they work together to encourage word selection. Every time we speak, we are actually processing which words to use, even if it appears to be a very fast process. Neural inhibition is the process which allows us to do this. When a specific neuron is blocked or suppressed by inhibitory neurons, the most common inhibitory neuron being GABA, neural inhibition is at play. When we are word processing, competitive inhibition is occurring between neurotransmitters. In this instance, GABA is competing with the original substrate to take its place. When GABA takes the place of a substrate, the neuron doesn't fire. So, in this example, that specific word isn't said. This specific study points out the effects of anxiety on neural inhibition. It found that anxiety is associated with lower neural inhibition. This means that someone with anxiety may have more trouble with word processing. This impairs an individual's ability to select one thing out of many options. The graph on the left shows that high anxiety participants demonstrated impairment in their word selection in both low and high retrieval demands. The image on the right shows similar results. The higher anxiety participants had less engagement of their ventrolateral prefrontal cortex. This phenomenon could be explained by reduced activity of GABAergic interneurons when someone presents with high levels of anxiety. The prefrontal cortex is most known for its decision-making abilities, and when someone is word processing, activity is high in this area. The study here shows the middle and anterior ventrolateral prefrontal cortex activating when participants are engaging in word processing. Inhibitory neurons are essential in selection when someone is processing words. While certain things can affect this process, this study emphasizes the importance of GABA in decision-making and the complex processes involved in language. Thank you for listening.